welcome back to Postcards, Texas. My name is Hannah, and we're going to be talking about how to get like a cell phone provider in Hong Kong. So, stay with us. Alright, so we're talking about getting a cell phone provider in Hong Kong. So, all you need is pretty much these two. You pretty much need these two. Oh. Okay, so you need a passport or a Hong Kong ID. With passport, I had to pay extra money because I didn't have a Hong Kong ID yet. So you can wait till you get a Hong Kong ID, and then you don't have to pay the extra money. That's like a deposit saying that you're not gonna like leave the country or whatever type of thing. So you just need those two to prove that you are staying in Hong Kong. Also need proof of address, I think, and proof of address, and that's about it. I mean, it's pretty easy to get a phone plan in Hong Kong. I just recommend shopping around, making sure you're getting the best deal. There's also prepaid SIM cards that you can get from different companies, like for not very much money a month, or every couple weeks. So for not very much money every couple weeks. So yeah, so it's pretty simple. I mean, you could probably Google this, but yeah. All right, so all you need is proof, and money. So proof of address. Oh yeah, it has to be like a electricity bill, something like that. Something someone has sent you in the mail that has your address on it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big like, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.